Hi, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson for your student in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is how to use a graphic organizer to compile a vocabulary workbook, so that you can increase your vocabulary with a new word each week. To do this activity, you will only need a few things. First, you will need a template. This is the template for Word of the Week, and I will have a link in the show notes to where you can find it and then print it out for your student. You will need some pens or pencils. You will need either a bound notebook, or alternatively, you might want to use a binder, a hole punch, and some paper to keep the notes inside a binder instead. You will also need some crayons or markers for illustration, and a dictionary or the internet for access to look up the words. Here is how we do the activity. Each week, ask the student to choose a word that is unfamiliar. It can be a word that you come across in reading, in a classroom setting, wherever. But you're going to take that word and make it your word of the week. Now, using the graphic organizer, you write the name of the word in the box. You will write the part of speech. Then you're going to write the definition. What does the word mean? Use the primary definition. You're going to find a synonym, a word that means almost the same, an antonym, a word that is exactly the opposite. Then, to test whether the student really understands the meaning of the word, you're going to ask the student to write that word correctly in a sentence. And then at the bottom, you're going to ask the student to illustrate that sentence and check off how well he or she thinks he understands the word. A little bit, understands, or great. All right? So this is your page, and each week you're going to take this page, reproduce it, choose a new word, and do the same thing. In no time at all, you will have a nice notebook with lots of new vocabulary enrichment words. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please hit subscribe to get new teaching lessons in all different subjects every week. And for other educational fun your whole family will benefit from using, please check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Till next time, bye.